Hello friends, this straightforward video will show you how to add a moderator to your Facebook group. A moderator is someone to help you manage the content of your group. So to add a moderator to your group, invite the user. To do that, open the Facebook app on your phone, tap the menu icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, then you tap on groups. At the top of the screen, tap on your groups. Then you select your group. Now, to add a moderator, you invite the user if they are not on the group. You tap the invite button and you search for the name of the person you want to add. Once they've accepted to join your group, now you tap the manage button. Scroll down and tap on people. Now, in this, you will see all the members of your group. To make one of these members a moderator, you tap on the person's name. Now, you tap on invite as moderator. Then, you tap on confirm. Once the invitation has been sent to the user will get an invitation notification. And after accepting the invitation, the user will be the moderator of your Facebook group. So, that is how you can do it. If this video helps you, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, guys.